Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to share note on your iPhone to anyone. Very simple process to share your note, documents, link, some another Apple ID or Gmail or chat. So what exactly process? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks, so simply we can move forward as a mobile screen. So look at this here. I just simply open my note application. Inside the note application, this is my one of the folder like a job, and I want to share one of the file here. So dear, so look at this. This is a one of the paragraph I write, how to write. So I want to share someone, so how to share it. Simply press here three dots and look at this here. First options are come here, share note. I just simply tab on that share note. So many options are available here to share via share message, Instagram, and so many social networkings are available here. Share options also available. You can make a change or view only. So I just simply select there. So third person are just see view only, not to change anything. So using my messenger application, I just simply share this note. Press here. So I'm selecting here one of my friend and note here, and then tap. So look at this, after he or she accepted, so look at this, share with one person automatically comes here and show all activities are display here. After receiving my message, someone are open, tab on this message, and then automatically the person are join here. I already share. So using these tips and tricks, you can share very easily any kind of data available on your note application. So third person, your colleague or your family, using my tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.